Rare find. New construction in Kellam section of Lagomar. This home is curb appeal and custom architectural details. Exterior will be upgraded plank siding west/metal roof accents and double front door. High-end custom finishes inside and with a floor plan everyone dreams of. 2-story living room west/9 feet patio slider door and grand fireplace west/vaulted 18 feet ceilings. The kitchen is huge as some people say. Very large island, walk-in pantry west/a micro office and double barn doors, coffee bar nook and mud room west Cubbies. Master bedroom on first floor west/luxury master bath including the popular HGTV Wet Room instead if a standard shower. Master bath will include frameless tile shower with 2 rain heads, 1 shower head, a freestanding